Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how ice cream is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The ingredients are carefully blended to create the perfect ice cream base. Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Move those pallets into Bay 4.
And that's how ice cream is made, from start to finish.